morning UAE and good afternoon Philippines. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm going to attend the birthday celebration of one of my friends in Rim Island. The birthday celebration together with our meeting in Ushering Ministry. Then after the birthday, I'm going straight to the church tonight. Our church is in an evangelical building. I'm wearing a thick jacket. It's very cold outside. Maybe I'm gonna ride bus 63 there in WTC. Going to Rim Island after I go down in Sun Tower or Sky Tower. I'll walk going to the what building is that? Parkside. Yeah, that Parkside building. Parkside building. In Ate Lisa's house. Gonna celebrate the birthday of Ate Stella. Maybe I'll pass by it. WTC, I need to buy something. I'm gonna buy something in WTC. I bring the bag because they giving food in the church. I don't need to put inside the bag. My hair is still wet. I cannot put ponytail yet. Bye guys. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much to help me grow my engagement, my followers, and my views. Thank you and happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend guys. Bye.